As all of us know, our topic for the day is, well, nobody is perfect, hence this speech has no right to be perfect. You guys might be wondering, how could such a macho man with a classy mustache, tan skin that glows the whole way, physique better than Arnold Schwarzenegger, Arnold Kapoor's chest, smoothing voice, and eyes like Dilip Kumar could even think of imperfection? I totally agree with you guys, but my father doesn't. The first time he saw me into existence, he looked quite, I may not say the rest. He instantly glanced back at my mother. Seeing her condition made him control his words, and he said, "Well, nobody is perfect." From this moment, not only this became the punchline of my life, but their struggles for perfection gave birth to my 5 younger siblings. School life always seemed very confusing. We had hot-tempered teachers, dirty toilets that even scared my feces. But the thing which jumbled my empty brain was the awful romance between school management and maths. Trust me, it was even worse than old boys. We had borders like indoor park, while the remaining added fuel on fire was done by the sisters J on the 14th of Feb. After all this, our maths teacher supposes us to find x. Can someone really ask her, how in the world can I have an x if they don't let me get into a relationship in the first place? When it came to my career, my father had great expectations from me. He always wanted me to become a brave and a truthful lawyer, just like Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the one who believed in unity, faith, discipline for the betterment of society. But I had even higher ambitions, so I left everything behind and joined TikTok. Now I spread positivity through my video and my content. If you ever want to challenge my determination, just see my account. I have not only infected my fellow friends, but also have a TikTok with my principal. Similarly, as nobody is perfect, we all learn over time, as shown by the Power Rangers, who after several times interfering in politics, finally got to know that it's not their cup of tea. Therefore, they found a better method and a purpose to help the nation by producing patriotic, melodious songs and dramas, such as Ede. But on a serious note, I would highly recommend PCB to contact them for the next PSL so we could have an anthem worth listening. Between us, nobody might be perfect, but Pakistani girls are an exception. I'm talking about the mothers who have always been with us from the first second in her womb to till date. I would like to conclude by requesting everyone, especially the Puppos aka keyboard warriors, who now are not only limited to shadis, all thanks to social media. Day and night they just tingle out the imperfection in others. Trust me, they are giving a tough competition even to the devil. But on a serious note, I would request everyone to stop all these comparisons as nobody is perfect. Not even me. And that's the beauty of life. शिट हो गया मुझसे, जो कहना चाहता था वो कहना पाया खुद से. शिट हो गया मुझसे, जो कहना चाहता था वो कहना पाया खुद से.